Hi guys, it's Yianni from Yiannimize, and today I'm pranking one of my staff. So you guys know Mark, one of the rappers, one of my Filipinos, amazing member of staff. He said he wants a new car. So I've helped him out, worked out a way he can get the car that he wants. Today is Thursday, it's bank holiday weekend. I told him his car was coming in 10 days time. His car's arriving today. He's got no idea. He messages me at like 11, 12 o'clock at night, Yianni, I can't sleep. Every day I see him, he's like 9 days to go, 8 days to go. Today he said 4 days to go. I was like, listen, enjoy your bank holiday weekend and your car will arrive on Tuesday. His car is around the corner and it's about to turn up. He's got no idea. I'm gonna mic him up. I'm gonna say, Mark, come outside quickly and film with me, and we're gonna get his real reaction. He's bought a fantastic car, amazing color. Obviously he's gonna wrap it, but I wanna actually experience this with him and get his facial expression, because this is probably the most expensive car he's ever bought, and it is brand new. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah? Okay, so literally, I'm coming out straight now, yeah? That's it. Huh? All right, film, NICCO Mark jumpers. I'm taking both of you. Bro, it's pissing down with rain and it's cold. Jumpers, oh, you're a jumper. You getting a jumper? So anyway, we'll deal with it. Come.
Oh. No, this is mine.
See the surprise? 4 days, 4 days.
Oh my days, that is sick. Oh my god!
4 days, I said, bruv. I made a mistake. I can't count, Mark. I can't count, bro. I'm sure it was today, wasn't it?
It was Tuesday!
Now you've got your bank holiday weekend to enjoy the car in the rain. So Mark's got an Audi S5. It's his car, I helped him, but it's his car, he purchased it. He deserves it, he works mad hard. He earns very good money at Yiannimize. A lot of people say, why don't your staff drive good cars? They earn good money, trust me. But that is it there. He's over the moon. It's pouring down with rain, but who cares? But that is a dream for him. You've got to remember, he's a young guy. He's come from the Philippines. They came with nothing, him and his family. His parents are amazing. But,
wow.
So pleased, man. It's emotional. I'm pleased for him, man. He deserves it. I guess you're finished for the day then, yeah? I guess you're not doing any more work today.
I think I'm gonna have a half day in.
Yeah, okay, fine. I'll let you go home early.
No way!
Close the door, turn it off because it's getting welter in there. What I'm going to say is, let me ask you this question, yeah? You know what I'm like when I get a car. How quick is this car going to be inside? Tints, chromes, smoke the lights. That's your car, baby. Brand spanking new Audi S5.
In white and red interior as
Yep.
well. Oh.
This is why you can't take my staff. We have a relationship, a bond that it can't be broken. A lot of people say about NICCO and Mark, listen, I've got fantastic staff in there. It's a different relationship with NICCO and Mark as well. And they've tried.
Family.
We're family, can't say no more. But that's your car, baby. He's gonna enjoy the bank holiday weekend. Enjoy. No more waiting, no more days, 0 days.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna sleep.
All week, I said to you, he's waiting, but no more days. It is pouring down with rain. Let's go inside. And he's got a lovely he's off Friday, Saturday, Sunday and Monday. So he's got 4 days to enjoy the car. Huh?
Hey guys, it's Mark. So that was my surprise. Let me show my new car. So you lot may be wondering why I chose Audi. I had Jap car before. I was a Honda fan before. This is 2018. I need to step up. What I love in Audi is just this bit, the most important. I think I want something different. That's why I chose Germans at the moment. So maybe I play with 2 years, maybe 3 years, and we'll see what's gonna be next. Will I ever go back to Jap cars? No, I'd say no. Sorry, I love Jap, but they have so much powers. But German cars, I think it's classy. First one, they have so much technology. That's it. So spec-wise on this Audi S5, I chose this bit, which is virtual cockpit, steering wheel fat bottom bit, red interior. I love it. White, I'll probably get bored soon, but I'm a rapper. I can change it whenever I want. So what have I done so far? I've decroned around the car, put the Yiannimize sticker, brand everything. What I like another in Audi is this bit, which is, as you can see, can go like that, which is can go even map. Another one is the massage seat. If you want to get bored, you can turn it on. Someone will massage you at the back. So you can change the drive as well to comfort, auto, and dynamic and individual. Dynamic is my favorite, which is makes the engines aggressive and the sounds at the back. So we're on the dynamic now.
And still stop for the woman.
What color should I wrap my car? So click here to vote. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure you subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next video.